Okay, we have some non-voice communications, image, data, digital modes, CW packet, and PSK31. Which of the following is an example of a digital communications mode? They give you they offer you the answers: packet, PSK31, MFSK. Actually, those all are, so all of these choices are correct. These are all digital communications mode. What does the term APRS mean? That's Automatic Position Reporting System. This is a system that connects up to a GPS with your transmitter, that every some specified time period, every 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it's set for, will transmit your location to another station. The GPS will feed the information into your transmitter. Your transmitter will send it through this automatic position reporting system to someone's receiver. Okay, which of the following is normally used when sending automatic location reports via amateur radio? It's a global positioning system receiver, and that's what connects up to the APRS to give you the location. What type of transmission is indicated by the term NTSC? NTSC is the name for the analog fast scan color TV signal, like the old, like your analog signals that you used to get on your TV set in the living room. Okay, that's NTSC video. Which of the data emission modes which of the following emission modes may be used by a technician class operator between 219 and 220? You'll remember on your frequency chart that I gave you, there was a band segment there from 219 to 220, and that was the orange one. And then there was a gap up to 222, and then you had all your normal modes above that. But the mode, the segment between 219 and 220 is used only for data modes. Only for data modes. What does the abbreviation PSK mean? It means phase shift keying. Phase shift keying, PSK. What is PSK31? It's a low rate data transmission mode. This is a keyboard mode. It's a very good mode in terms of getting through noise. Extremely effective and very useful for emergency communications for a long haul kind of stuff, especially on high frequency for passing information. What is included in packet transmissions? Packet transmission, let's see, a checksum which permits error detection. These are the answers you're offered on this one. A checksum which permits error detection. A header which includes the call sign of the station to which the information is being sent. An automatic repeat request in case of error. All of these are correct. So for this one, all these choices are correct. Okay, what digital code is used when sending CW in the amateur bands? The code is Morse code, and it is a digital code because it's on and off keying. CW is Morse code. Which of the following can be used to transmit CW in the amateur bands? You can use a straight key, you can use an electronic keyer, you can use a computer keyboard. All of these choices are correct. What is a parity bit? Some of the codes used in digital transmissions have what's called a parity bit. It's an extra code element that's used to detect errors in received data. And what will happen, you'll have, you may have seen, if you've done anything with digital codes at all, you may have seen odd parity and even parity. And what they do is set it so that there will be either an odd number of bits or an even number of bits for any code element that's transmitted. And if the receiver doesn't receive what the correct parity is, then it knows that it got a bad data. But it's an extra code element used to detect